I've been using MaxTrax for years and I swear by them. And I've used a few copycat traction boards as well. And the idea behind them, well, they just simply work. But there's a newcomer coming to Australia, and that's the GoTreads out of America. Now they're a foldable traction board that I reckon is going to have a lot of interest and value to caravanners and campers who want to also use them as a leveling device. A lot of people like to show off their MaxTrax on the roof of their car. They are a status symbol. And that's where the GoTread's significant difference is obvious. They are folding, taking up about 30 centimeters square when folded up. They'll fit nicely in a tunnel boot, in the back of your car, or in a small locker on a camper.
They are lightweight and folded up are a lot easier to handle than traditional traction boards. And I think that's a big plus, as if they are easy to store and use, you probably will, where roof-mounted options can be a bit annoying to get down.
They are designed to be self-aligning, as in as a tyre spins on one, it'll pull to the centre of the tyre.
Unfolded, they are longer than most traction boards, which will be handy, and there is an optional kit to link multiple GoTreads together.
GoTreads are American made since 1975 and they feel quality, but I like the nice touches inside.
I've used MaxTrax for years to keep jockey wheels and caravan legs from sinking into soft ground, as well as to level a trailer. But here is where the GoTreads are better than traditional traction boards.
They are foldable, and once folded, end up at about 130 millimeters tall, so on really uneven ground, you can level even more.
On the way back from filming the details on the GoTreads, I saw a chance to test them on a muddy lakeside. Yes, I faked this test, but here it is as it happened.
And honestly, I think if I let the tyres down a bit, because they are still at placard pressures, and put it into low, I might be able to drive out of this. But in high range, this thing is just firing all the traction control aids, trying to drive out, and it's not. So I'm going to try the GoTreads. Again, I did set this up, but it's pretty close to a decent-ish kind of recovery. We'll see how it goes. I'm pretty happy with how they worked. They did what they said on the box, which was they pulled onto the tyre, and once I felt them gripping the tyre, I could drive the car straight out. So I'm pretty happy with that. I want to try them in some deep sand one day as well, see how they stack up against MaxTrax. But yeah, they get a pass mark for the minute.